One of the questions I have for both the panelists, yeah, and you can answer them in any sequence you want, because there are many students in the audience who are considering their own career path in this domain, data science and machine learning domain. So, can you tell us a little bit more about your own journey, and how you arrived at the current job you have?
So, I guess like I was always interested in computer science domain, but I did my bachelor's in mechanical engineering, and then after that, I wanted to like also learn more about computer science. So I tried to like I then decided to pursue my PhD in a like interdisciplinary domain. So I wanted to do research which involves both mechanical engineering and computer science. And then most of my research projects during my PhD involved solving problems in design and manufacturing using machine learning and AI. And that is when like I started to learn more about this field, and started to get comfortable, and then eventually I learned those skills, and I ended up at Google Lens.
Thank you, Prakhar.
Okay, let me try and answer. Unlike Prakhar, when I did my PhD, machine learning was not as hot. So, I did my PhD in application of optimization, sort of more applied mathy like. However, as we move through our career, right, at least from my perspective, it's very important to try to adapt to what's new and what's useful in the work that we are doing. One of the gravest mistake that I see even in some of my colleagues is their inflexibility to adapt to new technologies, algorithms, discoveries. Nature has one tenant: adapt or perish, right? I think in part is true in research as well as in academia. We have to always be up to date with the new technologies, new science that is out there. So for me, I had one bit of advantage here in terms of connection with machine learning, right? Many of the machine learning algorithms, model representation, are based on optimization. I was reasonably familiar with the theory of optimization, so the passing the transition was not that complicated. What I had to learn, obviously, are the new technologies that enable this application, right? To keep up to date with TensorFlow, PyTorch, or whatever that you like, different kind of models that people try in industry. Familiarize yourself with technology that enable you to access large data sets, how you integrate them, how you scale them up, and so on and so forth. So my suggestion, my advice to you, keep learning. What's new there, be curious about new technologies that appear, new science, because world evolves whether we like it or not.